Today, we're diving into the world of timeless hairstyles that exude charm and sophistication. If you're on the hunt for a hairstyle that speaks volumes about your style, we've got you covered. Let's jump right in. Number 1. First on our list is the classic business cut. This one's all about projecting professionalism and refinement. Short and neatly groomed sides and back meet a stylishly coiffed top for an elegant appearance. Think Bruce Wayne from the Dark Knight trilogy or Matt Balmer character from White Collar. Perfect this style, reach for a pomade or paste with a natural finish. All about projecting confidence and authority. Number 2. Classic combed back. Up next, we've got the timeless classic combed back hairstyle. Imagine combing your hair straight back for a polished and sophisticated look. It's a simple yet sophisticated choice that's suitable for a range of occasions. Unlike the slick back style, here we keep the sides and a back a little bit shorter to avoid an aggressive undercut. It's a chic daily choice, especially for guys with fine or thicker hair. Again, a trusty pomade is your styling sidekick here. Number 3. The regular length cut. With consistent hair length all around, this style is all about balance and cleanliness. It's a no-nonsense, timeless option that's perfect for the modern gentleman who appreciates simplicity and elegance. Many iconic movie stars rock similar cuts. To nail it, grab a light grooming cream or paste for styling. Fourth one is the surfer cut. Channel those effortless beachy vibes with intentionally messy, unkept locks that seem like you've just come from soaking up the sun and surf. Now, you don't need a tropical vacation for this look. Use a salt-infused product with a matte finish. Let your hair air dry or blow dry with a diffuser for a sun-kissed texture. And the fifth one is slicked side sweep. Last but not least, let's explore the suave slicked side sweep. This classic cut involves combing your hair to the side, keeping it slick and sophisticated. It's a nod to old school charm and looks particularly dashing on men with longer hair. To get the perfect side sweep, opt for a wax or gel with a low shine finish, the ultimate touch of class. And there you have it, folks, a collection of versatile hairstyles that cater to your every mood and occasion. Which one resonates with your style the most? Let us know in the comments below. Remember, your hair is your canvas, so paint it with confidence and charisma. Until next time, peace out.